Now let's solve this post about fraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In fraction, before we can add and subtract, we have to find the least common denominator. First, let us perform this one first. The least common denominator is 15. How to find 15? 3, bali, pareho lang siya sa least common multiple. Denominator ang tawag kasi denominator naman siya. So, multiple of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Multiple of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Ito ang common nila and this is the least common denominator dito or least common multiple sa mga whole numbers. Kasi sa multiple of 3, dito sa 15 at sa multiple of 5, dito sa 15 sila magkapareho. So now, ang least common denominator natin dito ay 15. Now, 15 divided by 5 and that is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. So, that means 4 over 5 is equivalent to 12 over 15 plus. Now, the denominator is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 times 2 and that is 10. So, that means 2 over 3 is equivalent to 10 over 15. Now, we can add. Copy the denominator 15. 12 plus 10 is 22. So, the answer is 22 over 15. Pero, hindi pa yan yung final answer. Kasi, improper fraction siya at gawin natin siyang mixed fraction. 22 divided by 15. Ilang 15 ang 22? May isang 15. So, that is 1. Then, 22 minus 15, 7. Bali, 1 and 7 over 15. Ito na yung final answer dito. 1, 7 over 15. Next, itong deduction. So, ganun pa rin. We will find the least common multiple of 5 and 3 or the least common denominator kasi denominator siya dito. 5 and 3 din, so 15 din. 15 divided by 5 and that is 3. 3 times 4, 12. Minus 15 divided by 3 is 5 and 5 times 2 is 10. Just copy the denominator. And then, i-subtract natin yung numerator. 12 minus 10, that is 2. So, the answer is 2 over 15. Hindi na natin ma-list yan. Kasi yung 15, hindi naman siya ma-divide ng 2. Next, sa multiplication, just multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So, numerator to numerator, 4 times 2, and that is 8. 5 times 3, and that is 15. So, ito na yung final answer kasi wala na siyang greatest common factor para i-divide natin dyan, para ma-list siya. So, ang final answer dito ay 8 over 15. Next, sa division naman, ang ito, the same lang siya. Ang division maging multiplication at reciprocal nitong divisor natin maging 3 over 2. Now, pwede na natin siyang i-multiply. Numerator to numerator and that is 12. Denominator to denominator and that is 10. Pwede natin siyang ma-list. So, 12 divided by 10 and that is 1 and 2 over 10. Ang 2 over 10, pwede pa natin ma-list. So, 1 over 1 over 5. So, 1 and 1/5 ang sagot dito. Ulitin ko lang. Kapag addition and subtraction, dapat hanapan natin siya ng least common denominator. Dito ang least common denominator niya ay 15. Then, just copy the denominator, ang i-add mo lang yung numerator. So, ito na yung final answer. Next, sa subtraction naman, just copy the denominator, ang i-subtract mo yung mga numerators lang. So, ito na yung answer. Sa multiplication naman, just multiply it directly, yung numerator to numerator, and then yung denominator to denominator. Kaya ito na yung answer. Sa division naman, ito, kopyahin lang. Ang division maging multiplication, at ang divisor, ang reciprocal ng divisor. Kaya ganito na siya. So, ang numerator, ganun din ang gagawin natin sa multiplication. Ang numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Kaya ito na yung final answer.